Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today is Walter's birthday, so wish him a happy birthday in the comments. Okay, I'm getting ready to use up this leftover nacho meat. I'm going to make some recycled nacho meat chili. So let me lower this and show you what I'll be using. Okay. And I'm going to fix it in my slow cooker, because ain't nobody trying to eat chili right now. And basically the meat is done. The canned beans are done. So it'll basically just be heating up. Okay. So I'm using my 2-quart slow cooker. And I always start by putting water, a little bit of water in this. Just a little. I'm going to let it warm, the water warm up. I don't want to put no cold water in here. Just a little bit. Just a dab. Like a teaspoon. Okay. So, I'll use a liner. Slow cooker liner. I don't like washing unnecessary dishes. So if the water is in the black ceramic bowl, the food goes in the plastic bag. This is specifically for slow cookers. Now don't just go put a plastic bag in it. No. This is made specifically for a slow cooker. And I already have it on low. And I didn't realize it. Okay. So I'm going to start with I'll be putting some diced tomatoes with green chilies in here, chili beans, red kidney beans. I don't know if 3 cans of beans will fit, but maybe the dark red kidney beans too. Since this meat is already seasoned, I'm not going to go heavy on the seasoning, but I'll also be using the leftover salsa. And the liquid I'm going to use is the spicy chicken broth. So let's get started. Open this. Let me wipe these tops out. I'm going to use this or not. Okay, so I'm putting the beans in first. This is the light red kidney beans. Somebody told me what this little thing was for, and I forgot. But I use it to kind of open these pop tops. Putting juice and all in here. They're still too high. Now, this is the chili beans. It has a thicker sauce. Let's fit in here. Okay, 3 cans of beans will not fit in here. I don't know if these diced tomatoes will fit in here either. Okay, I gotta put some liquid. Let me get this meat in here. That's the star of the show. It's leftover nacho meat. Okay. Oh, that's a lot. It's filled up to the top, yeah. Save my sherbet containers. They're good for storage. Tupperware, free Tupperware, y'all. Okay. Shake this up. Don't need that much. I don't have my usual garbage bag handy. Try to get all the goodness out. Yes, I'm filming.
You making chili?
From the leftover nacho meat. I don't want it to go bad.
Got a couple of chips fixed up prepared yesterday.
I know. Well, I know you don't want this for your birthday, Dana. I know you don't. I'm fixing it so it don't go bad. And I love chili, you know that.
What you doing for my birthday, then?
I bought you a nice big cake. You said you got pork chops and whatever else. You're looking crazy. So this is basically done. I don't know what seasonings I might need. Okay, I'm gonna put some Italian blend seasoning. There's no salt in here and no MSG. Let me tell you what's in it. Oregano, rosemary, basil, sage, thyme, parsley, marjoram, and soybean oil. Could have left that out. Okay. And sazon. There's no MSG and no salt. Garlic, cumin, coriander, annatto, paprika. No salt and no MSG. So I can use it because it got all this other good stuff in it. I need chili powder. I had these ready, but this got salt in it. And I don't need no more salt. Let me get the chili powder. New Mexican chili powder. course, there's no salt in here, it's just chili powder. Since this is chili, and this is up to the top, y'all. Let these flavors blend. And I will show y'all when it's done. It basically just has to heat up good. So I'm going to turn this on high. When it gets good and heated through and through, it's done. I ain't waiting for nothing raw to cook. It's just a handy little gadget. Let me taste this again. I want to add something. Ooh, I can add it. A little bit of my Knorr chicken bouillon. Adds a special flavor. And that's the salt. So you can stand a little bit of salt. That much. A little dab will do you. Okay. So I will be back. Okay, y'all. I said I wasn't having no fit to have no chili right now because it's early. Look at my bowl of chili. This is a stoneware bowl that you can actually put this on the stove and cook on. I haven't done it. I put it in the microwave. My sister blessed me with this for Christmas. And I opened it early. But anyway, this is my bowl of chili. I put some pico de gallo on it. And some taco cheese and oyster crackers. Cut the fire off from this. It was basically already done. It just had to heat up through and through. So let me turn it off first and then unplug it. This is going to be my thumbnail, y'all. This nice bowl and this spoon I bought just for the bowl. Look at that. It may be too hot for me to taste. Let me put this back on. I heated this bowl up before I put my chili in it. So the bowl is hot. Let me see, how hot is this chili? Hot. Chili is, the cheese is stringing. It's a good eating, y'all. This is my recycled nacho meat chili. Yes. Okay. I'm trying to throw in no food. Okay, like I said, today is Walter's birthday. I was going to cook him a pork chop dinner meal with the stuff he likes. He likes mashed potatoes and sweet sticky corn and stuff like that. But usually when I cook dinner for him for his birthday, Then some of the kids, or one or two of the kids, will come here with food. So I'm not cooking. I'm just fixing this leftover meat so it wouldn't spoil. So if nobody brings nothing, then he got food to eat that I love. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.